Hello, my name is Vadim Chikirka. I'm president of AVstudio Inc. So what we present here is a new generation of our modern tool to create user interfaces for the control system. And we are control system agnostic, so we support all available control system which you would like to use daily. So what we are showing here is actually our alpha version of our new generation editor tools. It's going to be extension for the VS Code or VS Code based applications. So you already familiar with our cloud based, and this is how we're moving from the cloud to the on-primes. So you can get started. So second, you can use our mobile application app container, which is available for iOS and Android. So you can go ahead and download and use in your favorite application as well. And also what we are showing here, it's our runtime, which working on the Android touch panels. So actually Android touch panels as well with our runtime environment. So it allows you to communicate with different environments, secure, non-secure, courses, and so on. And it's also support RSTP streaming video, so you can connect your favorite cameras to show on the touch panel and work with them. So you can find more information on our website avstudio.app. Also, it's available to book a meeting 101 to do onboarding and answer your question with your project. Bring your idea, we will give you ideas as well. So let's work together. Thank you.